Welcome to the Prairie Street Culinary Kitchen. I'm Chef Erica, and today I am coming to you from our beautiful new outdoor location in sunny South Florida. And you know, we're not just about meat anymore. We are now branching out to be your total cooking destination. So we're gonna be providing you with all sorts of new content coming up about sides and salads and sauces and all the stuff that you would serve with your meat or just alongside your meat, so that you can actually create a complete meal built around our beautiful deluxe meat products. So it's summer, it's grilling season. You're gonna be firing up your grill to cook some meat. Why not use that grill to cook off some other things too? Now we all think of like, oh, I'll grill some zucchini, or maybe, you know, I'll grill some onions or peppers, but have you ever grilled fruit? It's pretty cool to grill fruit because it caramelizes and you get these great tasty grill marks on it. Now you don't want to cook the fruit all the way like you would with, say, a pepper or a zucchini. You just want to mark it. So what am I going to do today? I'm actually going to grill watermelon. Today in the Prairie Street Culinary Kitchen, I'm making a savory grilled watermelon salad with pickled radishes. So I just love to grill fruit in the summer: peaches, plums, melons, pineapple, watermelon. So I have some watermelon cut up into wedges here, and I'm gonna just get a little bit of oil on these. I'm gonna throw them on the grill and just get really quick grill marks. And then what I'm gonna make is a sweet and savory grilled watermelon salad. So once these are grilled, I'm gonna take them off, and then we're going to add some pickled red onions and some watermelon radish. How cool is this radish? It looks like a tiny slice of watermelon. It's so cute, I love that. And then I'm gonna add some chopped salty peanuts and a little bit of mint. So let's get going. So all I did was put like the lightest coat of olive oil on my watermelon, and I'm adding a little bit of coarse salt to that. And I'm gonna throw that right on the grill. So just a teeny bit of oil on there. We don't want too much oil on that. Just enough so that we pick up some grill marks, and we'll throw that on the grill. And I don't want to leave that on for very long either, because I don't want that fruit to cook. This is almost more like cosmetic grilling. I'm just looking for marks on there. So I'm going to leave that for a second. In the meantime, these are my pickled red onions. This is simply red onions that have been tossed with some red wine vinegar, a little bit of sugar, and a little bit of salt. Really easy. I'm going to throw those watermelon radishes in there now, so we get like a little bit of a light pickle on those, but the red onions are nicely pickled. They've been in there for like maybe an hour or so. I'm just gonna give those a little toss, get that all kind of marinating in there. Now let's check that watermelon. So when I go to turn that, that's all I'm looking for. Really just marking it. What I call cosmetic grilling. Not medical, cosmetic grilling. So all we're looking for is some color on there. And then I'm gonna pull these off, and then we'll assemble that salad. So I'm taking my watermelon off the grill now. It's got really nice little grill marks on it, and I'm just putting it on a little bed of some nice soft bibb or Boston lettuce. You can use any lettuce you like, but I like the softness of the bibb or the Boston with this. Then I'm going to take some of those great pickles. So this is my pickled onions and pickled radishes all together. And I just love the combo of the watermelon and the watermelon radish. Something about that is very aesthetically pleasing, and I just love that. I'm gonna put that on top of my watermelon, just like that. Now I'm gonna add some chopped salted peanuts, because salty watermelon is a great thing. If you've ever had that, if you grew up in the South, you know what I mean. You eat watermelon with salt, it's very refreshing. So some salty peanuts, and then I'm going to just tear some fresh mint, because leafy herbs like mint, basil, cilantro, they actually taste better if you just tear them and you don't chop them up. They lose flavor the more you chop them. So just a little bit of fresh mint on top of there, and just a teeny bit more salt, some black pepper, and then I'm just gonna take some really nice extra virgin olive oil and just dress the whole thing, and a little bit of that juice from my pickles, and beautiful. Voila! A savory grilled watermelon salad with pickled radishes. And that looks really delicious. Now this could actually be like a lunch on its own. Maybe have a little leftover poached salmon with this, or some roast chicken, or this would be a great accompaniment to like a really nice flank steak or a hanger steak, maybe with a spice rub on the grill, or, you know, just eat it like this, because it would be pretty great. Okay, so I cannot wait to taste this, so stay tuned. We'll be right back, and I'm gonna do that. All right, so here is my beautiful grilled watermelon salad, and I am excited to taste this. So I'm just gonna grab myself a piece of that watermelon. It's so good because it's like refreshing and juicy and tart and sweet and salty. Oh, that's really good. And as I say on every video that I do for Prairie Street, this is the best grilled watermelon I've ever eaten in my life. It's not a piece of steak, but it's almost as good. So thank you so much for joining me here today in the Prairie Street Culinary Kitchen. Remember that every Sunday we post new video content on our YouTube channel. So you should check those out. And on our website, prairiestreet.co, we have lots of content. Plus you can go there to order all of our incredible kosher luxury meat products. Because really, we're all about the meat, but we're branching out. Now we're gonna be sides and salads and all the things you need to make incredible, delicious meals for your family in every season. So thanks again for joining me. I'm Chef Erica, and I will see you soon.
Subscribe to our channel now and set your notifications so you don't miss our latest recipes and chef-led tutorials. Then head over to prairiestreet.co to shop for your next big meal.